Ashley Peoples. I want to show you how you can do a customer order where your items will ship right away, but you can also tack it to a party. So you have to go in through My Orders, create a new order, and then down to Customer Order. If you do that any other way, like going in through the party, it's not going to ship until you close out your party. So this is the key. You add to order right here, or your add to party. Let's just say I'm going to use my summer sale party. I'm going to put in my information. Click on next. Yes. And let's just say let's do laundry pack. I'm going to add that. And you're going to want to put your payment information in here. Let's just say that somebody pays you in cash or check. You are only going to pay this amount, and you are going to put in your credit card here that's linked to maybe your bank account, and make sure you click next, and on the next screen click submit. However, if they paid you by credit card, you are going to pay the full amount right here, put in their credit card information, and click next, submit order. That is all. Very simple.